Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Currently, the print is in Mohali in Punjab. We're standing outside the medical college in Mohali where they have opened a special vaccination center for VIPs. The authorities tell us that after they received many calls from bureaucrats to ministers wanting vaccination at priority for them and their family members, they were bound to open this vaccination center specially for them. So the center told us that they have been giving around 50 to 60 vaccinations each day, and this center was specially opened for the hospital staff and their families and specially abled people. It's not just the vaccine center, but the hospital has also opened a dedicated testing center for these VIPs.
Just when the country was grappling with the devastating COVID-19 second wave, doctors working day and night with limited resources, the Mohali City Hospital was burdened with endless calls and demands for home testing, walk-in vaccination, or fancy foods at hospitals from VIPs including former bureaucrats, army officers, judges, and politicians. While some were dodged, others had to be entertained. To cope with the VIPs and ensure that they do not hinder the critical functioning as much, the administration at Mohali Civil Hospital now has even created a VIP testing room and a separate vaccination unit. A doctor at the hospital who refused to be named told the print about some of the requests made to them. Send a team to collect samples for RT-PCR tests from our farmhouse, which was almost 60 to 70 kilometers from the hospital. Send someone to fix the knob of the oxygen cylinder. Send an ambulance for us to shift a family member to a private hospital.
Even if a request comes from somebody and it is not required to be done, what we simply do is that there are already private facilities which are charging for this, and we just forward on the request or facilitate this to happen. This person will come and take your test. So in that we don't have a problem, they don't have a problem.
But then these requests
They may be coming. They see personally, they don't directly come to me. The hospital might have gotten some, but it's just they're handled so they don't cause a problem. The general instruction has been to shift vaccination per se out of the hospitals, because if somebody wants, private hospitals are offering vaccination at a paid price with an appointment system. Where somebody wants to get vaccinated, they are doing that. We are keeping our vaccination sites sometimes in the open, sometimes in more open areas per se. This is not a practice that we encourage because it does waste a lot of time. So that's the only way.
While some have the liberty of getting tested in the comfort of their homes and have vaccination at their convenience, others have to stand in long queues to get their jab or even struggle to arrange basic resources.
Although the caseload at the hospital has now subsided and the hospital here actually has beds that are empty and vacant for general public, the VIP calls, doctors say, still keep pouring in with many demands like sending teams to their homes for testing or even fixing their oxygen cylinders. This is Ananya Bharadwaj reporting with Riti Agarwal from Mohali for The Print.